How to fix not receiving verification code on an iPhone. But to get verification message on your iPhone, if you're not getting it, what you want to do is first you want to turn off do not disturb mode. If you enable it, you won't be able to get any notifications, so you want to make sure that it is disabled. And you can see here, if I disable it, it'll show my text messages here 6 and call log 6. But if I enable it, the do not disturb mode, it won't show up. So you want to make sure that it is disabled. Then if it is still not working, if it is not the issue, if you have checked the messaging app and you're still not getting the code, scroll down the notification panel, enable your flight mode, and then turn it back off again. So wait for a couple of seconds and then toggle it back off and check if the issue is fixed. You also want to check your network connection and make sure you have a strong signal. Now before doing so, beforehand, make sure that the problem is not on the other end. So if you're trying to log into Facebook and you're not getting the activation code, you want to make sure that it is not the Facebook server that is down. So you can check the down detector on Google or your Safari and go through the website to check if the server is down. You can also update your server and the apps and reset your device. By reset, I mean the restart. So you can restart your device, which will fix the issue as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.